Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall the Microsoft Teams from your Windows 10 device. So if you are install Microsoft Teams and you want to uninstall the program, so to uninstall the program, you have to go to the search bar here and search for Control Panel. And if you type Control here, you can see there's an option called Control Panel. Click on there, and if you have View by Category View here, just choose the large icons here. Then you have to find the Programs and Features option. Click on Programs and Features. Then here you have to find the Microsoft Teams application or the program name here. So we can see there's the Microsoft Teams here. So to completely uninstall the program, just right click on it and you can see there's an option called Uninstall. So click here the Uninstall. Now you can see the Microsoft Teams is completely uninstalled from the Windows 10 PC here. So if you close out of here, now you can also see the logo is already here, the shortcut is here. So just right click on it, then go to the open file location. Now you have to delete the Teams folder here. You go to the Microsoft here and you can see there's an option called Teams. So it will just turn back to update again and install again. So you have to completely delete the Teams folder from here. Right click on it and click delete here. Now you can see the logo is also deleted. So that's how you uninstall and completely remove the Microsoft Teams for your Windows 10 device. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.